Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how we can design a website in Figma. Open your Figma dashboard and go to the Explore Community option in the sidebar. A new page will open. Choose the Web option. Here you can see numerous templates. Choose one of your liking and open it in Figma. Now, you see your template has opened in your project. Now, you can select any element and click on it to see the specific layer and see editing options. You can resize the element just by dragging, according to your liking. You can easily edit the text just by clicking on it. You can select text and change its style from the design panel. You can change its color. You can resize or replace images as you like. You can preview your project to see your design. And that's it. Designing a website in Figma is that easy. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.